Greetings. Spirit ask a question. If you put everything that you think about all day, everything, in a room, would you be able to stay in that room? Now, here we go with our work. If the answer is yes, then that is wonderful. But if the answer is no, that's where your work starts. Every time the negative thought comes, if you negate it, dismiss it, tell it must go. It must go with love. You must go. You are not welcome here. For every negative thought you have, if that's your response, then whatever energy is used to being there, it's going to fade. It has to fade because it can only stay there because you created it, you fueled it, you fueled the entire vibration, so it must appear. And if you have that much creation in you to fuel something that hurts you, you have the same power to fuel something that benefits you, something that supports you, something that encourages and motivates you. So what's inside your room? Is everything in your room to your liking?